Carbon dioxide is treated as a villain, a warning sign, a failure mode, a planetary error, but carbon dioxide does not appear at the end of planetary evolution. It appears at the beginning. Carbon dioxide is heavy, heavier than nitrogen, heavier than oxygen, heavier than sulfur compounds. As volcanism continues, carbon dioxide settles beneath sulfur clouds. Layer by layer, pressure increases. This is how an atmosphere gains weight. Carbon dioxide does three critical things. It thickens the atmosphere, it traps heat. It enables chemistry under pressure. Without carbon dioxide, proteins cannot form. Liquids cannot stabilize. Complex chemistry cannot begin. CO2 is not life, but life cannot exist without it. Pressure is not accidental. Pressure allows bonds to form. Pressure slows molecular escape. Pressure gives chemistry time. Venus's pressure is not excess. It is preparatory. Early Earth was carbon-rich. Long before oxygen, Earth was dominated by carbon dioxide. Life emerged during this phase, not after it ended. Venus is not past this stage. Venus is inside it. Oxygen comes later. Forests come later. Animals come later. First, a planet must build its lungs. Carbon dioxide is the frame those lungs are built on.